Hey there, Steven from the dev team. Wanted to let you know about another update. So we've had very specific folks asking for this update, and so I'm going to try and explain it to you as best as I can because it involves a little bit of mental math. So duplicate contacts. Previously, we have a great system in place for recognizing duplicate contacts, and for 95% of situations, it works because most people do not want duplicate contacts. Obviously, if you turn this on, nothing else is going to matter. You're going to say, hey, I want you to add a duplicate contact every time that somebody submits a form or takes an action. Most folks don't want that. So we're going to keep this off and tell you how it works. So normally, the system has to check one kind of unique identifier and then the next. And so now we have the ability to decide which order are we going to check in, or are we going to only check one. And so the default way was email and then phone, but now you can choose email and then none, or phone and then none, or phone and then email. And so what this does is, let's say there's a form submission of a contact that maybe already exists in your system, and maybe that contact only had given a phone number previously. So it's going to try and search by phone number, and then if it finds it, it's going to update the email instead of creating another contact with just that email. Let's say it's vice versa. They submit a form with phone and email, but they only had an email previously. Now it's going to search for phone and say, well, I didn't find it. But instead of creating a new contact, it's going to then search by email and say, oh, but I did find email, therefore this is the contact. So it's really helping eliminate any sort of use case where there could be a duplicate contact.